Hello and welcome to the Aubergine help videos. Today we're going to explain how to add a new blog post to your website. To do this, you first need to log into the WordPress account on your website using the login details we have given you. What you can see now is called your dashboard. Some dashboards look a bit different to what you see here. Don't worry if yours is different, because what we're concerned with is on the left-hand side. Hopefully you can see a list of options. If all you can see is symbols, click on the arrow at the bottom of the column. This will make the options appear. One of the first options is Posts. Click on it once. A list of all your posts will appear. This screen gives an overview of the main information: the titles, who wrote the posts, the categories the posts are in, any tags you have added, any comments received, if you're set up to have comments, the date the posts were published, and the featured image. You are probably thinking, what's a featured image? The answer depends on the way your website is set up. A featured image could be within the blog post itself, like at the top of the blog post, or it might be on a page that shows all the blog pages, like this. Anyhow, back to how to make a new post. On the overview page, click on Add New. First, add the title of your post. After a moment or two, you will be given a permalink. This is the URL of your blog page. If you like, you can change it from the suggestion, like this. Remember to click OK. Write your post in the main box. You can write it as long as you like, but we find that readers prefer something under 500 words. The right-hand side is where you can add extra information about your post. This varies a bit depending on your site, but usually you can add the category, the tags, the author, and that featured image. The last area to look at is the excerpt. This is a description that is shown on the blog list page, like the one I showed earlier. Think of something short and snappy to entice readers to find out more. If you're not ready to publish your blog post, click on Save Draft. You'll be able to find your draft post again on the overview page. If you do want to make your post live and visible on your website, press Publish. You're done. Thanks for watching, and look out for our other help videos on the Aubergine website, www.aubergine262.com.